NBIS stock analysis and NBIS stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Looking at Nebius Group, bro, this is so decent with a 6% correction. Now, why am I saying it's decent when it's gone down 6%? Now, I've done 42, I'm going to get into that in a second, but I've done 42,000 videos over the last 5 years, documented everything. So I've seen what's making me money and what's not. And you can check it out yourself on this YouTube channel. But what this meant is that now it's pulling back down to my demand. And unless I see that double break actually taking place and happening, there's just going to be no way that I'll buy. People really make it more complicated than this. I was waiting for it. It didn't happen, right? So what I'm waiting for is this confirmation to actually take place. So boom. How's that going to look like? Well, if there's no sort of confirmation, then I guess I'm not going to be buying. That's all. And yeah. If you, okay, that's where we are. And if you do want to learn how I'm making pop 10K per month trading, click the first link in the description and get my pre-mouse.